Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. In this video, this is the part 8 of our chipa-ta tutorial. Yes, welcome back guys. And in this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to actually use better the indicators. So guys, you can start. If you don't know already, you can get our services here in chipa-trade.com. You can check the services, you can check, the bot hosting service or the custom bot development. We are soon getting AI tools fully functional, so thank you very much for your help, and let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing is these are the starter functions, which we've been using all the time. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna start by doing is doing a function which is gonna be named make candle, which is gonna just get the basic candle data, and you're just gonna do like if high, and basically create a candle, right? This is just a function. It's okay, you'll see. Next thing is you wanna just take a random candle, just a random. It's just gonna put random data just to test, and here get started. So now we're gonna start by doing a variable called TR, which is the true range, which doesn't require any period. You just do indicator.tr, which shows you here how to use it. Then next up, you just want to get the TR, which then you want to print the result. If you print this, normally you'll be able to get the output of this, which is gonna be this specific case. Next up, guys, we wanna do just check if everything has the same values. Just make sure everything goes right. Just add extra verification. Next up, we're gonna try and test this with ATR. With the ATR, we use the same way we use the TR. We do it, just that this time it requires a period. In this case, we're gonna try a period of 3, but normally commonly used 14, and that's common in normally this case. Anyways, guys, we're then just gonna print it and test it out with the assert function, which you can just then test, and you can see here we got that result. Anyways, guys, next up we have the OBV indicator. Just we can test the same thing. It's the same thing as we did this 2 times, just that for the OBV indicator. And as you can see, here are the results. Next up, guys, we want to do the same, just with WLDM error. It's another indicator, and yes, there's so much more than this, but again, it's just to show you guys the data and how it goes. Of course, we can keep testing with different indicators, like this case, the AO, and yes, you can see everything is perfect. Then SuperTrend, really good indicator, highly recommended. You can see it works as well. Then just you can print extra statements about SuperTrend, and you can see more specific the data. Next up, we just want to make sure everything works. You can see no error given, and that would be it. Now if we can just run this for the final one, and you can see that's a more in-depth tutorial on how to use the indicator. Long story short, you just put indicator dot the name of the indicator, and it will tell you. And here you can just test out, you can use, and here you can see like more in depth all the indicators we support. But it's a long file, and this is also the documentation files. So we recommend better to checking the docs in our website, which will be always publishing docs in this chipa-trade.com/docs. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and once again, for Chipa's worth, my name is Vigo Walker, and see you in the next one.